students. Students, I Abhishek Soni from Adarsh Vidya Mandir, Shankar Vidyapit, Mount Abu, Siroi, Rajasthan. Students, in the previous class we have completed our grammatical portion, that was the models, the uses of models. Now we are starting with our topic, that is a chapter from the book Movements. Chapter number 1, and the name of the chapter is The Lost Child. This chapter is actually a theoretical part and it is written by Mulk Raj Anand. Now let's discuss something about Mulk Raj Anand. Mulk Raj Anand is actually an English writer, and this writer writes on the lives of poor people in very traditional way and in short way. Okay, so what the chapter states is that it was the festival of spring. See, before starting the chapter, let's study something, that when Mulk Raj Anand wrote this story, okay, so what this story conveyed about? Okay, so this story conveys us, it gives us a message about the importance of the parents. Many of the children don't uh, understand the importance of their parents. They take them as granted. Why? Because what children look for? Children are looking for fulfilling their desires. If they demand something and the parents, they fulfill their demands. That is the reason that children do not take them very important part of their life. They simply take them as granted. Okay, so this chapter gives us the importance of message of importance of our parents. Okay, so it was the festival of spring. From the wintry shades of narrow lanes and alleys, okay, narrow lanes and alleys, emerged a gaily clad humanity. Okay, means what? In this chapter, the first two lines are saying that it was the festival of spring. Okay, Vasant Ritu. Spring means Vasant Ritu. Okay, so it was the time of Vasant Ritu, spring season, and wintry shades, narrow lanes and alleys emerged a gaily clad humanity. Means the season, the season, that the spring season, it was clearly giving its shyness about what? About the gaily means happiness. Okay, happiness, or in literature wise we can say it happily. So the importance, the beauty of the nature coming out happily. Emerge means out, come out. So coming out happily with clad humanity. Clad humanity, clad means in a very small lane, एक संकरा जो रोड होता है उस पर, उसके थ्रू वो एक ब्यूटी दिख रही है. Some walked, some rode on horses. Rode is the third form of ride. Others sat. Again, it is the third form of sit. Being carried in bamboo and bullock carts. कुछ लोग पैदल जा रहे थे, कुछ लोग were traveling by horses, traveling on horses. कुछ लोग वहाँ बैठे भी ऐसे थे, like they were traveling through bullock carts. वो बैलगाड़ी से चल रहे थे कुछ लोग. Okay, one little boy ran between his father's legs, brimming over with life and laughter. One little boy was there. He was going. See, some was going through walking, some was going through riding on horses, some on bullock carts. But this little boy was going with his parents, and by brimming. Brimming means filled with. Brimming means filled with. Filled with what? Filled with life and laughter. वो एक जिंदगी और खुशी, ठीक है, उसका आनंद लेते हुए वो अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ he was going towards the fair. Come child come, called his parents as he lagged behind, fascinating by the toys in the shops and that lined the way. Fascinating. Okay, fascinating means attraction. So the child, while going towards the fair, the child got attracted towards the toys and the shops, toy shops See, in the fairs, we see most of the times we have also visited the fairs. There were in the fairs there were like sweets shops, game shops, toy shops. So same as with this boy, little boy, he also got attracted towards the toy shops, and he started staring at the toy shops. So he lagged behind. Lagged behind means पीछे रह जाना. उसके पेरेंट्स आगे चल रहे हैं और वो खिलौने की दुकान देखकर अट्रैक्ट हो जाता है. That's why their parents called, "Come child, come." He hurried towards his parents, his feet obedient to their call, his eyes still lingering on the receding toys. Okay, lingering means देखते रहना, continue studying something, that is called lingering. Okay, and receding means, receding we can say again, they both are the literature words, so they are the same. Like in this sentence what it states, to the little boy, as soon as he heard the voice of his parents, that his parents are calling, so stop seeing at the toys, he started going towards his parents. Why? Because he was very obedient to their calls. As he came to where they had stopped to wait for him, he could not suppress the desire of his heart, even though he well knew the old cold stare of refusal in their eyes. So the boy was very clever. He knew the old cold stare of refusal in their eyes. In their eyes means उसके पापा, मम्मी पापा की आंखों में उसको दिख जाता है या दिख गया था कि वो उसका जो डिमांड होने वाली है टॉयज खरीदने की, वो रिफ्यूजल मीन्स उसको रिफ्यूज कर देंगे, उसको ना कर देंगे. फिर भी वो जहां पर उसके पेरेंट्स रुक करके उसको बुलाते हैं, सो दे हैड स्टॉप टू वेट फॉर हिम, वहीं पर वो बिना अपनी इच्छा बताए वहां तक पहुंच जाता है. ओके, and in this way the boy enjoys most of the time of traveling with their parents. And in the next part we will discuss the next summary of the chapter.